And it's so windy, I don't know how my umbrella's gonna do. If I can even open this thing. My God. Hold up. I don't know if I can open this thing today. Y'all hear that? Hold on. Yo, that's crazy. That's not happening. Just trying to lift my stuff everywhere. There goes my chair. It's mayhem at Port Canaveral. That's not gonna work. And my monster spilled. It's a bad day at Port Canaveral already. My God. It was one of the windiest days we've ever had at Port Canaveral, but we still had a great time. 3 amazing ships leaving, wild weather and more. We have Carnival Freedom, Adventure of the Seas, and we get horns from Disney Treasure. Let's go enjoy this video. Everyone hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Broadway, that is Carnival Freedom, and it's windy and rainy and misty and all the above today. And now, dare I say chilly? It's a little chilly. That is. Here we go. Let's do it. I love it. Yes, we got some horns. Here we go, cruise fan. We can't get a like for that. Let's go. Oh, the rain is coming from the left side now. That's good news. Just because probably like Oh man, here comes some more wind. Sorry everybody, hold on. Just because saying hello to someone, I'm gonna have to go say hello because I think he's going to eat after this. Cruise fan member, they just didn't want to be on camera. And that's totally fine. I don't know what they said, but I hope they're yelling to me. It's raining down there, but that's how it was earlier. It looked like way heavier down there. Okay.
Honey, I'm going under here.
Go for it, baby. Life with Magic said 48 days till the treasure. I love it, Life with Magic. We can no longer see Disney Treasure. That better stay down there or we're in trouble, baby. Treasure needs some horns for real, CR.
We better get him today for going through all this. Chase, we better get horns today after all this.
No. Be
they
careful
see
that
people, what?
it's not like squishing the mic or anything.
No, Chase.
Sorry, we're professionals.
It's fine. Oh my gosh, he's always worried about the tech. Like, oh my gosh.
Listen.
The way we stress about things.
Everybody's been here the whole time hanging with us. I appreciate it. It's been an amazing day. All right, let's get the honking. I'm going to get my arm going.
Honking?
I'm going to get us.
Okay, we'll do the honking. Trucker horns.
Trucker horns, here we go. Auntie Kim will be our... Baby, it worked.
It always works.
Thank you, Adventure of the Seas. Here we go. 2 in a row. Is that a good sign? Are we going to... Oh, Adventure just blocked the wind, like totally. Can you guys tell? That's so crazy. I just can't remember where.
Up there in the corner, somebody's waving. Oh, right here. Pink and blue.
I think it was pink and green. Oh, now it's out the wind. Auntie Kim with a $20 donation. Thank you, Auntie Kim.
Thank
you guys
you so
are
much,
too
Auntie
good
Kim.
to us. Truly. You guys, thank you. You don't have to do all that. Let's see. We'll just get us a good little zoom here, just in case. Let's try to catch them. Oh, the wind's picking back up. Let me back out. The wind's getting me. From Treasure as well. The back of Adventure looking beautiful. Deanne, welcome
Hi,
in. Good
Deanne.
to
Welcome. Yeah, it was nice when it blocked the wind, huh?
See ya. Yeah. There she goes. It's showtime, everyone. The last ship of the day. Thank you so much for making the stream so amazing and special today. Everybody that we met in person.
Yes.
Everybody's been with us for this full 2 hours already for 3 ships. Thank you to each and every one of you. Time is precious, and thank you for choosing to spend some with us every weekend. We really appreciate it. I'm gonna have to probably plug in soon, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe not.
You can have this.
Hot dogs in a crock pot. Oh, that's maybe one way I've never tried a hot dog.
Oh, Chase. No.
Khalil's going 6 or 7 horns.
No hot dogs in the crock pot. I guess
Steve's
that would
going
kind of be
6
like.
horns. My son Francis says
Brr,
Patty's
what's
team
happening?
5,
Oh my
Felicia's
gosh,
team
now
5.
it's starting to rain again, Chase.
I know, baby.
Brr.
We're at the finish line now.
This is not the right time to start raining.
Yeah, have a great cruise for real. 350 likes today. That's
Woohoo!
amazing. Thank
we
you, everyone.
met our goal. Thank you guys so much. We
Make a
appreciate
sign for
you.
a ship to beat the horn count. Oh, that's a good idea, Rick. I like that. Richard's team 5. Let's go. IRL. That does not sound disgusting.
Okay.
Auntie Kim won't even eat any hot dogs. What
Hold
you
that
eat,
for
baby?
me. I have to put this towel around my shoulders because I'm like freezing and I'm shivering.
The Capitan and Judge Prods is in the house. Rick's going 6.
And I don't have my watch on, so I have no idea
Swifty
how cold
said,
it
grateful
is.
for any. I'm just an unsure person. I love it. Swifty, good to see you. You know we love when you're in here. Oh, Lana coming in with some membership stickers in there. You like that little VIP one? All right, Dave O's team 5. I love it. Since she's doing 6 knots. Oh, let's see. 3 strand. Oh man, here we go. This is about where we could get some horns. Feeling it. Awesome, that's 1.
Come on.
Two. That one sounded a little rough, right?
Woohoo!
There we go. We got
3.
3. Let's go. We got Grim Grinning Ghost.